Michał Piotrkowicz. Sharpening the soul of the samurai. It is said that a sword is the soul of the samurai. It's more than just a mere weapon. It's a symbol of all the virtues that the samurai held dear. For more than 15 years, I have practiced samurai swordsmanship, Bat-to-do, which I mastered to 5th Dan grade. Meanwhile, I have become an instructor of samurai school in Warsaw. And additionally began to prepare and service swords for tameshigiri training. From my point of view, both fencing and sword polishing have a spiritual aspect. For somebody who, just like me, isn't only a grinder, but also teaches swordsmanship, this work is a metaphor for everyday training, during which he grinds his own soul and the soul of his puppets. I have worked on over a few hundred swords, some of them with historical value, others were forged contemporary. Mostly I worked with Japanese blades, but sometimes also with European weapons. Whatever their origin and purpose, I always wanted the sword to express its owner's spirit and serve him as long as possible. The most valued and at the same time one of the most difficult skills of traditional Japanese fencing are cutting tests, called tameshigiri. Back in the old days, bodies of convicts were cut. Nowadays, rolled up and soaked rice straw tatami mats are the target. Perfect technique is required from the adepts trying to pass this test. Their swords have to be extremely sharp and in excellent condition.